Good afternoon, HOD Professor A.K. Chaturvedi sir, my seminar guide Anshul Khandelwal sir, my seminar coordinator Dr. S.S. Godara sir, respected faculty members, examiner and my batchmates. I am Suman Saxena, pursuing my Bachelor of Technology in Aeronautical Engineering from the University Department of Rajasthan Technical University, Kota. Today I am pleased to be here in front of all of you to deliver the presentation of my seminar on the topic Future Prospects of Airship. This is the presentation outline. Firstly, we will see the introduction to airship, then classified of airships, construction, history, modern airship, conclusion and references. So let's start with the introduction to airship. An airship is a type of lighter than aircraft that is powered and steered through the air by its own engines and control surfaces. Airships are characterized by the large elongated bodies filled with lighter than air gas such as helium or hydrogen that allows them to float in the atmosphere. Modern airships are typically smaller and more versatile than their historical counterparts and are used for a variety of applications such as aerial surveillance, scientific research and advertising. Let's move to the next slide, which is classification of airships. Airship is mainly classified into three types. Firstly, a rigid airship is a type of airship in which the envelope is supported by an internal framework rather than by being kept in shape by the pressure of the lifting gas within the envelope. Non-rigid airships are pressure airships where internal pressure maintained by forcing air into the internal balloonette is used to both maintain the shape and airship and its structure. A semi-rigid airship is an airship that has a stiff keel or truss supporting the main envelope along its length. The keel may be partially flexible or articulated, may be located inside or outside the main envelope. Let's move on to the next slide. These are the rigid airships. First, the British R-34 in Long Island during the first ever written crossing of the Atlantic in July 1999. The extended species airship in 1930, the large silver airship harkens back to an earlier day when giant airship glided gracefully throughout the skies. This is the first flying fully rigid airship since the 1940s. These are semi-rigid and non-rigid airships. First, semi-rigid airship launched in 1926, advertising blimp landing at a local airport in New Jersey. Steerable ducted fan on Skyship 600 provide thrust, limited direction control and also serve. This is all about rigid and semi-rigid airships. Let's move on to the next slide. Now we will see construction of airship, which mainly includes envelope, lifting gases, gondola and propulsion system. Now let's explore the history of airships. Airships were among the first aircraft to fly with various designs airborne throughout the 19th century. In 1784, Jean-Pierre Blanchard fitted a hand-powered propeller to a balloon, the first recorded means of propulsion carried aloft. In 1785, he crossed the English Channel with a balloon equipped with flapping wings for propulsion and bird-like tail or steerage. The first person to make the engine-powered flight, Henry Giffard, who in 1852 flew 27 km in a steam-powered airship. Now here are some images of ancient airships. First, crossing of the English Channel by Blanchard in 1785. Second, the navigable balloon developed by Dupuy de Long. And the third, a model of the Giffard airship at the London Science Museum. Moving on to the next slide. Now let's start with the topic, modern airships. Modern airships are typically constructed with lightweight and durable materials such as advanced composite, can carry heavy payload. Airships equipped with advanced cameras, sensors and communication system. They can support aerial monitoring, disaster management, telecommunication and broadcasting activities. More environmentally friendly than conventional aircraft due to their lower fuel consumption and carbon emission. Electric powered airship in particular offer the potential for zero emission flight. Now let's know more about the airships. Zeppelin NT. The first experimental craft of the type Zeppelin NT flew in September 1997. The new technology Zeppelins are much smaller than the giant ancestor. Compared to the blimps are higher speed and excellent maneuverability. Several Zeppelin NT have been produced and operated profitably in joyride, research flights and similar application. Now these are some thermal airships. A thermal airship is an airship that generates buoyancy by heating air in a large chamber or envelope. The lower density of interior hot air compared to cool ambient air causes an upward force on the envelope. An airship that uses steam would also qualify as a thermal airship. This is also a thermal airship which named hot air airship made by Geffa-Flug. Now let's talk about what will the future of solar powered airships. Future solar powered airships. A solar powered airship built by a UK based company could be a groundbreaking way to freight cargo internationally with lower emission and a big step towards a 100% renewable world. Verilift's airship will use helium gas to lift off, which is a great deal safer than the hydrogen that airship of the past used. It's been estimated that the cost of Verilift aircraft would be comparable to a jumbo jet. Now let's conclude the presentation by some important points. The future of airship look promising with their potential to offer sustainable transportation, remote access capabilities, versatile application and unique travel experiences. Airship have the potential to a more sustainable mode of transportation compared to the traditional aircraft. They require less fuel and emit fewer greenhouse gases, offering a greener alternative for cargo and passenger transport. The development of airship for the future holds great potential and offers several advantages in various domains. While airships have a long history, recent advancement in technology and material have paved the way for their resurgence as a viable mode of transportation and a versatile platform for various applications. Airships have the ability to carry heavy and oversized cargo, making them ideal for transporting equipment and supply to remote or difficult to reach location. Now these are some references. Thank you.